Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, the Scholarship Guidebook. In today's video, we'll provide you with essential insights on applying for the highly coveted Gates Cambridge Scholarship for 2024 in the UK. The scholarship program at Cambridge University offers 80 scholarships to international postgraduate students to pursue their master's or PhD in the UK. Among these Gates scholars, almost one-third are PhD students. Gates Cambridge Scholarship 2024-25 details. The Gates Cambridge Scholarship for the year 2024-25 is offered in the United Kingdom at the esteemed University of Cambridge. It supports students pursuing various academic levels, including PhD, MSc, MLITT, and one-year postgraduate courses, providing 80 full-cost scholarships to exceptional individuals. Benefits of the Gates Cambridge Scholarship. The Gates Cambridge Scholarship for the 2024-25 academic year offers comprehensive financial support, including full coverage of tuition and study-related expenses. Recipients will receive an annual maintenance allowance of £20,000, have their visa costs covered, receive a one-time economy class airfare, and have the immigration health surcharge expenses will be covered. In addition to the primary benefits, Gates Cambridge Scholarship recipients may receive additional academic development funds, ranging from £500 to £2,000, to attend conferences and other courses, with the specific amount depending on the duration of their course. The scholarship also provides a family allowance, offering up to £11,604 for one child and up to £16,548 for two or more children. Moreover, it covers unforeseen hardship costs, offers a fieldwork allowance, and provides funding for maternity and paternity needs, ensuring comprehensive support for scholars in various situations. Eligibility criteria of the Gates Cambridge Scholarship. The Gates Cambridge Scholarship is open to international graduates, excluding UK nationals. Eligible applicants should possess a strong academic track record and have made prior contact with and gained acceptance from a research supervisor for their proposed research. Additionally, applicants must demonstrate the capability to articulate and defend their chosen course of study. Required documents. To apply for the Gates Cambridge Scholarship, candidates must submit a personal statement with a maximum of 3,000 characters, regardless of the course or college requirements. In addition, PhD candidates are required to provide a research proposal as part of their application, even if it is not explicitly requested by their chosen course or college. Moreover, applicants must arrange for 3 reference letters, one of which may be from a current employer if necessary. These comprehensive application elements ensure that the selection process identifies the most promising and dedicated scholars. How to apply for the Gates Cambridge Scholarship. Prospective candidates must complete their applications online through the university's graduate application portal. Initially, they should select a specific course and college placement of interest. Subsequently, applicants are required to furnish comprehensive personal information, academic background details, and outline their course plan before formally submitting their application for both the course and the college. For those seeking financial support, there is a dedicated funding section where applicants can apply for various funding opportunities offered by the university and external organizations, such as the Gates Cambridge Scholarship. It is important to note that applicants have the flexibility to apply for multiple courses, but a separate application must be submitted for each course of interest. Additionally, it is advisable to apply as early as possible, as course availability may be limited, and the application status may close before the official deadline if a course reaches its maximum capacity. Scholarship deadline. The application deadlines vary for international students and US citizens. International students have 2 different deadlines to consider, either December 5, 2023, or January 4, 2024, depending on the specific course they are applying for. On the other hand, US citizens should take note that the deadline is October 11, 2023. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up to show your support. Thank you. Wishing you blessings and positivity as well. If you have any more questions or need assistance, feel free to ask. Stay blessed.